Alright, my name's Ben, this is my bike check. The actual frame is a 2-hit Bizzle 08. Start off at the front of the bike. 2-hit wax bars come with the bike. I've got a Diatech Dirty Harry lever, Odyssey linear slip cable. I've got premium wedge stem. That's the front of the bike. Oh yeah, and Shadow guttural grips, Seth Kimbrough Pro models. Moving down, I've got the Shadow Interlock V2 half-link chain. I've got We the People Supreme sprocket, 33 tooth. I'm running 12 tooth cog on the rear. It's a really good gear ratio. My cranks are Fit Flows, and I've got a sealed Fit Flow mid-bottom bracket. My U-brake is the Odyssey Evo 2 brake. Coming up to the seat, this is the Duo Rogue Status collaboration. You can see Rogue Status under there. It's pretty cool with the guns. It's pivotal, so I've got, you can't actually see the logo, but it's a Federal stump seat post, and I got a sexy little pink A-bike seat clamp. That's about it for my bike. Leave me comments. Hope you enjoyed my bike check. Cheers. See ya.